Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one for tomorrow's option trading is Tata Chemicals. I'm going to draw a channel pattern. This is the resistance line. Let me complete the channel pattern by drawing correction. This is the support line and this one is the resistance line. The stock price is moving up and down between the channel pattern. In between, there was a breakout for a brief moment, but after that, again, price is back in the channel pattern. After testing the resistance level for 3 consecutive times, this is nothing but triple top pattern, which is a reversal pattern in itself. After that, see the price. It is slowly coming down. The number of bearish candles are increasing, and at the same time, the bullish candles are decreasing. So, if there is any momentum below 1,108 rupees, I foresee a lot of sellers picking up the pace and the stock price will try to fill the gap which is around 950 rupees. I have chalked out levels in front of you. We will be buying 1500 P option only if the stock price breaks the support level of 1108 rupees. The targets I have given till 1050 only. We may even see huge bearish momentum. If you see price going down at a speedier pace, then you can hold your position as well. There are two ways of trading these calls. Either you can trade them strictly on intraday basis, or you can choose to carry forward your position if you sense that the price is going to go your way in the subsequent session. Last but not least stock for tomorrow's session is Apollo Tyres, and the price action is quite simple. The stock is an uptrend as you can see. In between there are phases of contraction slash profit booking. At 260 rupees, we can see price is again trying to reach the skies. Pay attention to last two candles. This is a long range bullish candle with surging volume activity. On the subsequent day, the entire range of the candle is within this larger bullish candle. This two candlestick makes a well-known pattern called inside day pattern. What this red candlestick denotes is that currently price has taken a pause and it is likely that in tomorrow's session, if we see price going above 296 or 297, buyers will again come in the picture and the stock price can go to even higher levels. Talking about the important levels in the stock, we will be buying Polo tires only if the stock price breaks above 297 rupees in this spot market. Targets are given till 310. Pardon me, this is typo here. This should be 310 rupees. I will be sharing the levels in my Telegram channel as well. If you want, you can join the Telegram channel to avail the benefits. Thank you so much for watching this video.